you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I'm so excited to have another Jeulia jewelry piece to show you guys. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so Jeulia Jewelry sent me another jewelry piece of theirs. Thank you so much, Jeulia Jewelry, for sending it to me to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. Now, if you guys have been with me for a while, you know this is my one and only jewelry company that I will bring on my channel. I've been having them on here for years. I've been enjoying their jewelry for years, and I'm so excited to bring you another piece to show you. Now, this one they did let me choose, and I chose this one for a specific reason. Because I wanted to show you guys, if you do see several pieces that you like that match, you can purchase one at a time, and as you save money or as people get you gifts or you spoil yourself, you can always add on to them with the different pieces that match. So this particular item has others that match that I definitely would like to get for myself at some point in the near future. So I wanted to show you one of the items, and I can show you a screenshot, whatever side I put those in, I think this way, of the ones that would match with it, just so you know what I'm saying. But I think that's really, really neat that you can choose a lot of different pieces that match together, and you don't have to buy them all at the same time. And I love that. So let's go ahead and dive in and see which one I chose. Again, this is how they come in their nice box. It does have a little mailer bag that I do remove, but this is what is down inside. So when you open this up, right on top is going to be the gift bag. So if you are purchasing this as a gift, they already have you covered. So they give you this bag right here. You have the handles. It'll pull out and open. It's a really nice, thick quality bag as well. It's not just a little cheap bag. And down inside is a greeting card. You can fill out the card right there. And then in here is a cleaning cloth. So if it's for yourself, take out the cleaning cloth so you can use it. If it's for a gift, then you can leave it in there for them as well. But if it's not a gift, take out the cleaning cloth because they have them in here and they always come in different colors. But you have the cleaning cloth, you have the greeting card, and then you have the bag. So it's for a gift, you toss it down in here and they have you covered. If you're spoiling yourself, you don't want to know about the bag, you want to know about the rest of the stuff in the box. So right on top, you will have this piece of paper that says stop. If you do get anything that is actually sized, like a ring, for example, you want to make sure that it's 100% fits you before you remove the tag. If you remove the tag, you cannot exchange it or return it or do anything. So to follow their process, you need to leave that piece of paper that's on there on it so you can make sure it fits 100% before you remove it. So that's what that tells you. Stop, check first. And then they always give you a little pamphlet right on top, which goes over a lot of their new items. And I love looking through these because, again, it keeps you up to date with like the newer collections, plus oldie but goodies that are in here as well. I just love flipping through this and looking and just like dog earing, seeing, what can I get? What can I hand to somebody? So they have several different pieces all down inside of here, but they, of course, they have so many more on their website that you can definitely check out. Ooh, that's my, look, that's at that. That's the same thing right there. And yeah, see, they have different watches, and I love my watch, you guys. So there's that. They also have some really, really neat jewelry boxes, and some of them, like, they open up, or some have like dried flowers or silk flowers or some kind of flowers in them. I'm not quite sure. Some open up really, really neat. So even if like your man was surprising you or you wanted to surprise somebody, you can pick out a really decorative box to put it in, or they have jewelry boxes as well. So thought I'd mention that because that's a new thing that I didn't know they had either. So down inside of here is going to be your goodies. So whatever you ordered, rings, necklace, bracelet, it's all going to be down inside of here. And it has the box that matches exactly. And when you open it up, your product will be inside of here. So this is what I received. I'm so excited to see it in person. It's always so much prettier. Like, you can fall in love with their pictures and the videos online, but when you get it in your actual hands, it's just so rewarding to see it in person because these are just stunning. So this is the bracelet that I chose, you guys. Look at how gorgeous and sparkly this is. I do want to say they They take into consideration every little nook and cranny when they are designing these. They even have little stones down inside of the little things that hang for the to adjust it. Both of them have that. So I love that. Even in my rings, they have them that go down the sides, underneath. Like, they stick them in every little nook and cranny. Like, these are just beautiful, beautiful pieces, you guys. And I'm loving them. I've never had anything break, tarnish, change colors, do anything. And I tell you guys, I don't take my jewelry off, especially my earrings. These two are Jeulia. Both of these bottom two right here, I've got from Jeulia Jewelry. I don't take them off. They shower with me. They sleep with me. These earrings do not come off. I've never lost anything. These are just beautiful, beautiful pieces, and I love them. My skin doesn't have a reaction, nothing at all. It's just beautiful. But look at how pretty, you guys. I'm going to show you what it looks like in the sun, so you can see. Right now it's like dark and gloomy because we just had a normal, I guess, summer shower or afternoon shower. So it's really dark right now, but as soon as the sun comes out, I will definitely record that in the sun so you can see it in different lighting. But let me go ahead and put it on my wrist, and then I will tell you a little bit more about Jeulia Jewelry, and then I will play that video that I love to play every single video for you guys that does go over a little bit more information. You can kind of see how they make them, know a little bit more of the story behind it, and I just love the video, so I love playing it for you guys. So let me get this on and get it tight. And these are easy, you know, for you to do on your own, like one-handed. No matter if you put it on your right or your left hand, I never have any issues. Let me go ahead and put this on snug because I want to see. Look at how pretty, you guys. This is so pretty. Look at how pretty. And I really, really love how it had like the different steps. Like, there's one that goes around and another one that goes around and then the top. And that's what matches with the other pieces that I absolutely love. But look at that. And I love the adjustability because I have a big wrist and I still can go even farther if I needed to. And then you can go a lot shorter. And then you just have these little cute dangles that have their stones in them that hang too. So it gives it a little flair. It's not just hanging there. That is just gorgeous. Okay, so a little quick recap just to tell you guys. This ring right here is from Jeulia. I have the little bit of the blue on there. That's like the butterfly something or other. But I wear these every single day. Here's my stars. And I have not cleaned these yet. I still haven't. I've had this one for years. This is my 3-piece set here. I absolutely love this. And look how shiny it still is. And you guys, I don't clean these. Not that I'm lazy. It's just, I just don't ever think they need to be cleaned. They don't look dirty to me. And then here's my watch. Here, let me remove it so you can see a little bit better. I love this watch, you guys. They have different ones, not just Jack Skellington, and they're going to have more and more as time go by. But this is just so, so pretty. I did a review on each individual piece that I have. And most of the pieces that I have received are individually linked down below as well. After time, I might have misplaced one or two of them because I've gotten a lot. But the majority of them are linked down below if you would like to check out any of the individual pieces that I even have. And again, I do have the earrings. So I have this set here. And then I have this dangle that I absolutely love. I have necklaces, I have other bracelets, I have so many different pieces and I love every single one of them, you guys. So now let me go ahead and give you a little bit more information. The ring sizes, if you are interested, because at first I didn't think that I would even get a ring because I'm like, oh, they probably don't make them as big as my fat fingers are. I was wrong. Their ring sizes go from 3 to 15 and every half size in between. So once I saw that, I was like, oh, yeah, I can definitely get a ring then. And I am so glad because I love them. I stopped wearing my real diamond rings to take them off to put Jeulia on every single day. So that's how much I love their jewelry, that I'm taking off real diamonds to put on their proprietary stone and rock theirs because I love their jewelry. The Jeulia stone is an excellent alternative to a natural gemstone because it is more scratch resistant for everyday wear. And mine have no scratches or anything. I can tell you, I've never lost not even one little tiny stone. I haven't lost anything. I have no scratches. I have nothing. Unlike natural gemstones that are mined from the earth using large machinery, explosives, and unsafe working conditions, the Jeulia stone was developed to be more durable with better optical characteristics than of a diamond while maintaining an ethical standard to protect our environment. And I really, really love that. So this is all their own in-house proprietary stones, and they're so close to a natural gemstone, but they do not use any explosives or anything that's harmful for the environment. Now, on a scale of a mined diamond versus a Jeulia stone, looks like a diamond, check, check. Durable, check, check. Hardness, 9 is a Jeulia compared to a 10. So it's only one number under an actual diamond is where their Jeulia proprietary stone falls into place. So, it's a no-brainer. Density is a 5.70 with Jeulia, and a mined diamond is a 3.52. 100% ethically sourced is only for a Jeulia. Potentially harmful mining is only for a mined diamond, and you will save a whole lot of money going with a Jeulia stone than a mined diamond. Measuring an impressive 9 out of a possible 10 on the scale of mineral hardness with proper care and cleaning. And again, I don't clean and they look perfectly fine. Your Jeulia stone can be treasured for a lifetime. Our proprietary stone is hand cut and fastened in-house to shine brilliantly and provide a beautiful sparkle with bright, vibrant color. It can also be created in colorless form, which we use in our jewelry to stimulate the amazing fire and brilliance of a natural diamond. We are confident that you will not find a better alternative in the market that shares the same quality and affordability as our Jeulia stone. Our commitment is to avoid putting more strain on our natural resources with providing gemstones that are 100% traceable. They have 30-day returns, free standard shipping over $99. They have a 1-year warranty. All of their jewelry is $925 sterling silver. They have secure shopping and flexible financing. And again, I will link them all down below. I do have my own code, which is SheCrafty15. SheCrafty15 will get you 15% off your total purchase. So no matter what it is that you would like to purchase, SheCrafty15 will take 15% off. And yeah, so that is everything that I have to show for what I received. Let me go ahead and play that video for you guys if you want a little bit more information about how they make their stuff in-house and the fine details and dedication that they put into handcrafting each piece. Here you go.
My name is Laura and I'm one of the head designers for Jeulia Jewelry. Jewelry is not just something you wear, it's something you feel. It's not just a fashion statement, it's a way of life. Jeulia Jewelry has the ability to not only personalize the look, but also to evoke emotion and create memories. This is the very mentality of Jeulia Jewelry, and we create beautiful premium artisanal jewelry that express, that reflect who you are and what you stand for. Pieces that you won't only wear to ceremonies and parties, but that you'll want to wear throughout your everyday life. Our dream is to make you feel an emotional connection to our jewelry, which is why each of our personalized designs are 100% handcrafted to offer you what you love from our heart to your heart. Everything we offer is made in-house, so we know that craftsmanship like this comes from caring hands and not from an assembly line, to ensure that the end product is a beautiful representation of the woman wearing it. Inspiration is a finicky concept because it comes from one's perception of this reality, and so therefore you can open a book, a fairy tale book in your workplace and be inspired, and other times you walk around and you see random items and they push you to create the most beautiful jewelry. I would say in the end, making jewelry is almost dreamlike because it allows you to tap into your emotional feelings, which is precious. Yes, Jeulia, I love me.
All right, you guys, so that is a video that I love to show you guys and I love to watch myself. And yeah, that is everything that I have to show for this particular video. You guys comment down below. Let me know, what did you think of the bracelet? This is just absolutely gorgeous. I cannot wait to add on to this to get the other pieces to show you guys so I can start collecting this same line that matches. I cannot wait to show you the new pieces that come when I get those. And yeah, so that is everything that I have to show you. Again, comment down below. Let me know, do you like what I received? Have you purchased from Jeulia? Are you still on the fence? All your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.